Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the battery level of your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. To check the battery level, you want to go into Devices, tap on the camera, and then on the settings icon. There, you'll see the battery right here. As you can see, this one's at 45%. If you want to charge it, you have the port right here, or you can replace the battery, of course, by popping the housing off by pressing in this button and taking it out, though you might have to get a good grip on it. Taking it out, taking the battery out, and placing a new one inside. Then, after you take a new one, you can place it in. Just make sure the pins are aligned. Place it in. And then take the housing back and place it back inside. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.